Hello students, welcome back to our next session, English lesson 1 exercises. Already previous class we completed 4 exercises. Now we will start 5th exercise, that is word power. Word power. Page number 8. Write WRITE, write the plurals. Do you know plurals, children? Singular and plurals. Write the plurals of the following words. Of the following 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 words. Textbook page. Textbook page 8. Textbook page 8. The first one is, before I ask that, what does it mean plural, children? Plural means more than one. Singular means one. Singular, one, and plural is more than one. So we will see some words here. First one is F-O-O-T, foot. You know the foot. We have 2 feet. The answer is, the plural word of the foot is feet. Feet. The number 2, man. M-A-N, man. What is the plural word of man? Men. M-E-N, only one letter is different. Men, men. Number 3, louse, L-O-U-S-E, louse. That is the singular word, and the plural word is more than louse. What will say? Lice, L-I-C-E, lice. Number 4, tooth. Tooth, you know tooth. More than one is teeth. That means plural word of tooth. Number 5, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. The plural word is mice. Number 6, woman. Woman. The plural word is women. Listen children, read again here. Write the plurals of the following words, textbook page 8. First words, foot. Foot. The plural word is feet. Feet. Man. Men. Man. Men. Louse. Lice. Louse. Lice. Tooth. Tooth. Teeth. Teeth. Mouse. Mice. Mice. Woman. 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 These are the few singular words and plural words. Now we will go to the next exercise, children. Exercise number 6. Same page only, children. Same page. Nouns. The question is, nouns are the name of things. Name of things. Here, circle. Circle the nouns in the box. In the box. B-O-X, box. Here some words are given and or nouns are given here. We should circle that. First word is cat, eat, old. Next, fan. Bell, B-E-L-L, bell. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. The next one is L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Wise, good, G-O-O-D, good. Next, T-R-E, tree. Book, B-O-O-K, book. Room. Next one is shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Then hungry, hungry. Listen children, here some nouns are here, nouns and other verbs also there. We should circle. See here, nouns are the name of things. What does it mean, nouns children? The name of a thing. See, this is a book. Book is the noun. Then what are the circle words in this box? We should circle that. Circle the nouns in the box. First one, see, cat. Cat is a noun or verb? Noun. We should circle here. Then eat, noun or verb? That is verb only. Don't circle. All these adjective children. Then fan. Fan is noun or verb? Noun. So we should round it. Bell. Bell also noun. N-E-C-K, neck. Neck also noun. Then little, no. Wise, not. Good, not. These are adjectives. Then tree, T-R-E, tree. This also a noun. Book, book also a noun. Book also noun. Then room, room also noun. Then shoe, shoe also noun. Then mouse, mouse also noun. So see, read this again children. Cat, eat, alt. Fan, bell, neck. Little, wise, good. Tree, book, room. Shoe, mouse, hungry. Now we read only the nouns. Cat. Next, fan, bell, neck. Next one, nothing in this row. Tree, book, room. The next row, shoe, mouse. These are the nouns in this group of words. Okay, understood children? Yes. Then we will go to next exercise. We will see the next exercise children. The next exercise is exercise number 7. Read the question children. Look, L-O-O-K, look around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around your Y-O-U-R, your classroom. Classroom. Then listen. Listen. Ten nouns. Naming the things. T-H-E, the T-H-I-N-G-S, things that you see. That you see. Page number 8. The question is, listen children once. Look around your classroom. Then write 10 nouns naming the things that you see. What are the things you are seeing in the classroom? List out. What are the things you are seeing, children? So we have to write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we should list out the 10 things, children. You say, children, you find out. First, book. Book is there in the classroom, isn't it? Yeah. Next one, what is fan? Fan is there in the classroom. Fan is there in the classroom. So, third item. Tell me, children. Yeah. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. Where you are sitting? You are sitting on the bench. Okay. The next one. Say pen. Pen is there. You are writing with the pen. The next one is, what are the things teacher is using in the classroom? Board. B-O-A-R-D. Board. She is writing on the board. Isn't it? The next one is, with what she is writing? Say marker or chalk piece. Marker. Then seventh one is, you say, children, what you are bringing from the home, where you are putting your books? In the bag. So bag. Bag also we can see in the classroom. The next one, tell children. Chair is there. Teacher is sitting in the chair, on the chair. Chair is there. The next, you have the box now? Yeah, box. Pencil box. The next, book we wrote already here. Yes. The next one, what you are seeing in the classroom? Table. Table also, it is there in the classroom. Now you see, children, once again we will repeat. Book, you can see in the classroom. Fan, fan is there. Bench, bench is there. Pen, board, marker, bag, chair, box, table. These things can you see in the classroom? Yes, you can see these things in the classroom. Okay. Hi students. Next exercise, grammar in use. 7th exercise, children. 8th exercise, children. Begin each question with the correct question word. Textbook page 9. In the brackets, some words are there. Question words are there, children. Question words. WHO, who. Next one, what. What. When. When. W-H-E-R-E, where. Next, how. These are the options. Who, what, when, where, and how. These are the words, children. Now we will see the question words means these. Who, what, when, where, how, which, whom, why. Such words we are saying the question words. The starting the sentence with these words, it's become the question. We should be write these words there. The first one is dash can we do. Can you say the sentence? Dash can we do. Which question word will come here, children? What. W-H-A-T, what. W-H-A-T, what. Now the question became, what can we do? Question is, what can we do? Then second one, dash do you live. Read the question. Dash do you live? What is the question word here, children? Yeah, where. Where. Now read the question full. Where do you live? Where do you live? Then number 3. Dash old are you? What is, children? Dash old are you? Which question word will come here? HOW. How? How old are you? Isn't it? The next 4. Question number 4. Dash will BELL bell the cat. Dash will bell the cat. What is the question word here? Who? WHO. Who? Who will bell the cat? Isn't it? The next number 5. Dash does your school open? Open. Read again. Dash does your school open? The question word is when. The question word is when. Now read the question. When does your school open? We'll read again all these sentences, children. First one is, what can we do? What can we do? Second one is, where do you live? Where do you live? Third one is, how old are you? How old are you? Fourth one, who will bell the cat? Who will bell the cat? Fifth one, when does your school open? Last one is, when does your school open? So these are the question words. When we are writing a question, these words should write in the first itself. Isn't it, children? Okay. Come back to the next exercise, children. Exercise number 9. Choose the correct word to fill in each blanks. Textbook page 9. Okay. We have some words here. The first one is big. Same. Bigger. The next, biggest. Biggest. Then we should write the sentence here that Agra, AGRA, Agra is a dash city. The next sentence is, we complete the sentence first, children, then let us find the answer. Delhi is dash than Agra. Third sentence is, Mumbai is the dash city of India. India, I-N-D-I-A, India. You observe, children, big, bigger, biggest. 3 words are there. We will call these 3 words degrees, degrees of the word. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Listen, children. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. This is the most. First sentence is Agra is a dash city. That is positive degree. A. So big. B-I-G. Big. Next one is Delhi is dash than Agra. When we are using the superlative degree, after the superlative degree word we will write than. T-H-A-N, than. This word comparative degree, along with the comparative degree, than word will come. Isn't it? So what will come there? Bigger. Bigger. Third one, see. Mumbai is the. Which word left here? Biggest. This is the superlative degree. Superlative means highest, big. So before the superlative degree word, we should use the word always. Always. Whatever we are using, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Taj Mahal, we will use that. That is superlative degrees. So once again read, children. Agra is a big city. Delhi is bigger than Agra. A little more big. Then Mumbai is the biggest city of India. In 3 places are there. Agra, Delhi, Mumbai. 3 places are given here. The first big is big. Then more than the Agra, Delhi is bigger. Little more big. Again, than Agra and Delhi, Mumbai is the biggest. That is the meaning, children. Big, bigger, biggest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Comparative degree word after what will come? Than. That should be must. Again, superlative degree before the. Understood, children? Then we will write the next exercises. Number 2. Here the words are tall, taller. Do you know third degree? Tallest. T-A-L-L-E-S-T. Tallest. Read, children. Tall, taller, tallest. Here you read big, bigger, biggest. Same way, tall, taller, tallest. We will write A. Radha, R-A-D-H-A. Radha is a dash girl. Next, B. Alka, A-L-K-A. Alka is dash than Radha. R-A-D-H-A. Radha. C. Nina is the girl in our class. Once again read the question, children. These are the degree words: tall, taller, tallest. Positive, comparative and superlative. Here Radha, Alka, Nina, 3 girls are there. They are mentioning about the tall, height. Then first one is Radha is dash girl. What will come there? Before what we wrote? Big. Same way we should write there the positive degree. Here what will come? Tall. Radha is a tall girl. The next one, Alka is dash than Radha. I said what word will be there? Before the comparative degree word. Sorry, after the comparative degree word, than should be there. So what will be here? Comparative. What will come there? Taller. Taller. Alka is taller than Radha. Third one, Nina. Nina is the. The means superlative. What is the word here? Tallest. Tallest. Tallest girl in our class. She is the topmost height in the class. So once again read children. Tall, taller, tallest. Once again, tall, taller, tallest. First sentence, Radha is a tall girl. Radha is a tall girl. Then more than, little more. Alka is taller than Radha. Alka is taller than Radha. Third one is, Nina is the tallest girl in our class. Nina is the tallest girl in our class. See here, now two words we learned. Big, bigger, biggest. Here, tall, taller, tallest. One more is there children, we'll read. Third word is old. O-L-D, old, older, O-L-D-E-R, older, oldest, old, older, oldest. Then the sentences. First one is, my dad is 30 years dash. B, my dad is dash than my uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. C, my grandpa. G-R-A-N-D, grandpa is the dash. Member in our family. Listen children, three words are here. Old, older, oldest. Once again, old, older, oldest. See the sentence. My dad is 30 years. Which degree that is? Positive degree. So what will come there? Old. O-L-D, old. My dad is 30 years old. The next one. My dad is dash than my uncle. Dan is there. So which degree will be there? Comparative. So older. Once read children. My dad is older than my uncle. Isn't it? Then C. My grandpa is the. The comes superlative. Oldest. Members in our family. Read again children these sentences. Old, older, oldest. Old, older, oldest. The sentence is, my dad is 30 years old. My dad is 30 years old. Second one, my dad is older than my uncle. My dad is older than my uncle. Third one, my grandpa is the oldest member in our family. Once again, my grandpa is the oldest member in our family. Now we completed 8 exercises. You have to write in the classwork and homework also children. Then learn well. Thank you children.